Hey tech enthusiasts, get ready for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. This isn't just a minor refresh. Samsung has really outdone themselves this time. Samsung is going for sleek and stylish with this one, aiming for a slimmer profile than the standard Z Fold 6. Imagine a device that's not only powerful, but also incredibly elegant. Initial rumors had us scratching our heads. No S Pen support? It seemed like a step back. In a world craving productivity on the go, it seemed like a strange move. How could Samsung overlook such a crucial feature? But hold your horses, because the latest leaks tell a different story. The tech world is buzzing with excitement. The special edition will indeed support the S Pen. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking next-level note-taking and creativity, all on a foldable screen. Imagine the possibilities for artists, students, and professionals alike. This is where things get interesting. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition is set to redefine what we expect from foldable smartphones. So, the S Pen is back, but there's a catch. No dedicated slot this time around. Samsung is playing it smart, prioritizing that slim design without sacrificing functionality. Think of it like the Galaxy Z Fold 5. You'll have options, maybe a stylish case with an S Pen holder. It's a compromise, sure, but one that makes sense in the pursuit of pocketability. Will we miss those advanced S Pen features a dedicated slot allows? Perhaps. But hey, maybe Samsung has some software tricks up its sleeve to bridge the gap. Let's talk design. Rumors suggest the special edition will be noticeably thinner than its sibling. We're talking potentially around 10 millimeters when folded. That's a serious statement from Samsung. Foldables have always been about pushing boundaries, but bulkiness has been a hurdle for some. This slimmer profile could be a game changer, making the Fold 6 Special Edition a more enticing, everyday device. Imagine slipping this sleek beauty into your pocket. No more bulge, no more compromise. Just cutting-edge technology in a form factor that finally feels, dare I say, normal. Section 4, Powerhouse Features, 200-megapixel camera and expansive displays. This is where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled performance. Thin and light doesn't mean compromising on power. These devices are designed to be both aesthetically pleasing and incredibly functional. Rumors point to the special edition packing a punch with a massive 200-megapixel main camera sensor. This means capturing every moment with stunning precision. Get ready for mind-blowing detail and clarity in your photos. Every shot will be a masterpiece thanks to the advanced imaging technology. But it's not just about megapixels. The camera system is designed to excel in various lighting conditions, ensuring your photos look great no matter where you are. We're also hearing whispers of larger screens, both inside and out. These expansive displays will redefine how you interact with your device. More real estate for productivity, entertainment, and everything in between. Whether you're working on the go or enjoying your favorite shows, the experience will be immersive. Imagine unfolding this device to reveal a tablet-like experience, perfect for multitasking and media consumption, all powered by the latest and greatest processing power. This ensures smooth performance, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition is shaping up to be a true flagship in every sense. It's a device that promises to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do, offering a blend of innovation, power, and elegance. Section 5. Limited availability, a strategic move by Samsung. Here's the kicker. The special edition might be a limited release. Initial reports suggest availability only in China and South Korea. Is Samsung testing the waters, gauging demand for this unique form factor? It's a bold move that has us all wondering. Are production constraints playing a role? Or is this a calculated strategy to create exclusivity and drive up desire? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure though, this limited availability is bound to create even more buzz around an already highly anticipated device. Section 6. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, a glimpse into the future of foldables. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition is a statement. It's not just another smartphone, it's a bold declaration of innovation and design. It's Samsung pushing the boundaries of what's possible with a foldable phone. The seamless transition from a compact phone to a tablet-like device is nothing short of impressive. The slim design, the powerful features, it's all very exciting. Imagine having a device that fits in your pocket but unfolds to offer a larger screen for productivity or entertainment. The lack of a dedicated S Pen slot might be a deal breaker for some, especially for those who rely on the stylus for note-taking or creative work. And the limited availability will undoubtedly leave many disappointed. It's a high-demand device, and getting your hands on one might be a challenge, but you can't deny the appeal. The sleek design and cutting-edge technology make it a desirable gadget for tech enthusiasts. This phone is a glimpse into the future, a future where our devices are more versatile and adaptable to our needs, a future where foldables are sleek, powerful, and truly pocketable. It's about having the best of both worlds in one device. The question is, are you ready to embrace the fold? Are you ready to step into the future of mobile technology?